Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat gummy bears. First, simply open the package. Take out a single gummy bear, or a small handful if you prefer. Pop it into your mouth and enjoy the chewy texture and fruity taste. Remember to savor each bite, as these delightful candies offer a moment of sweet enjoyment. You can also try different flavors together for a unique experience. There are several delightful ways to enjoy your gummy bears. Some people prefer to eat them individually, slowly savoring each distinct flavor and the satisfying chewiness. Others like to grab a small handful, enjoying a mix of flavors all at once. You can also try pairing different colors to create your own custom flavor combinations. It's all about personal preference. For a different experience, try freezing your gummy bears. They become firmer and even chewier, offering a refreshing cold treat. You can also gently warm them for a few seconds to achieve a slightly gooey, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Gummy bears also make fantastic, colorful toppings for ice cream, cupcakes, or even fruit salads, adding a playful touch to any dessert. To keep your gummy bears fresh and delicious, always store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Make sure the package is sealed tightly after opening to prevent them from drying out or becoming sticky. Proper storage ensures they maintain their perfect chewy texture for longer enjoyment. And speaking of staying fresh, remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.